This Adec control panel has a faulty spittoon button. Label all the wires and remove the panel. Unclip the circuit board from the outer panel. Get ready to test the faulty switch. Use a multimeter with fine tipped probes to test the faulty button. Sorry about the blurry video, I think I forgot to put my glasses on. Compare the switch with a working one. Use a scalpel blade to cut the knobs off the switch. This will allow access to the pressure pad. This shows the switch taken apart. Both sides of the contacts can now be cleaned. Pay particular attention to the disc. The switch is reassembled. The cut-off knobs are replaced with small amounts of glue. We can use the fine tips again. The switch is tested. The control board can be rewired back into the chair. This repair is much simpler than the switch replacement. Thanks for watching.